This video from Shop Stuff will demonstrate how you can program your minus button on the Casio SE-C450 cash register. This also applies to the SE-C3500 as well. You need the manager key, and you may need your alpha overlay if you want to give your discount a name so it appears on the receipt as a special type of discount. We'll pop that in there. We take the PGM manager key, turn it around to the PGM position. You then arrow down until key setting is highlighted, and then press cash amount end. Once you're in the key setting area, you arrow down to the minus symbol, press cash amount end, and this brings up all the settings for the button. So here we have unit price. So if our discount is going to be pre-programmed to be £2.50, simply type in 250. You can then scroll up and give the discount a name which will appear on screen and also on the receipt. So you may want to call it loyalty. Just type our descriptor in. You call it anything, you call it loyalty, member, promotion. Use the decimal point button, which doubles as the delete button to get rid of the minus symbol. And there we go. To save it, you press subtotal, subtotal again, and then when you're back in the main PGM menu, you can turn the key around to register. Have a quick look on the receipt that's printed out. We've got loyalty at £2.50, so that's confirmed we've done the programming. We get rid of our alpha overlay and pop it in a safe place. Pop the keyboard back on. Then if we pop a sale through, £14, subtotal, press our minus button, and there we have the £2.50 loyalty discount recorded on the screen. Cash the sale off, and if you're in receipt mode with the receipt switched on, the discount will also be shown on the receipt. More information on the SE-C450 and SE-C3500, please visit shopstuff.co.uk.